Discovery Plus is a streaming service offering access to a variety of channels and content from Discovery, HGTV, Food Network, TLC, Animal Planet, and more. While it's generally a paid service, there are a few ways to access Discovery Plus for free or at a discounted rate. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to get Discovery Plus for free and answer whether it's included with an Amazon Prime subscription. Step-by-step guide to get Discovery Plus for free. Sign up for the Discovery Plus free trial. Discovery Plus offers a free 7-day trial for new users. This trial gives you full access to the content available on the platform, so you can explore it before committing to a paid plan. How to sign up? Go to the Discovery Plus website or open the Discovery Plus app. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Choose between the ad-supported or ad-free plan. Enter your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you decide to continue after the trial period. Check for special promotions or offers. Discovery Plus sometimes runs special promotions, where they offer extended free trial periods or other discounts. Keep an eye on their official website or sign up for their newsletter to get notified about these offers. Partner offers. Discovery Plus partners with different companies, such as internet providers or mobile carriers, who may offer free or discounted subscriptions as part of a bundle. For example, Verizon offers a free year of Discovery Plus to some of their users. Get Discovery Plus with certain credit cards. Some credit card companies, like American Express, have partnerships with streaming services. If you have a qualifying card, you may be able to access Discovery Plus for free or at a discounted price. Shared accounts. You can also ask friends or family who already have Discovery Plus to share their login details with you, as many subscriptions allow multiple users to stream at once. However, make sure you're adhering to the terms of service for sharing accounts. Is Discovery Plus free with Amazon Prime? No, Discovery Plus is not included with Amazon Prime. However, you can add Discovery Plus as a channel through Amazon Prime Video. This is a paid subscription that can be added to your Prime Video account. How to add Discovery Plus to Amazon Prime. Open your Amazon Prime Video app or go to the website. Go to the Channels section. Find Discovery Plus in the list of available channels. Click on Subscribe to add Discovery Plus to your Prime Video account. Note, this is a separate subscription from your Prime membership. While Discovery Plus isn't free with Amazon Prime, it may offer the same 7-day free trial that you'd get when subscribing directly through the Discovery Plus website. Conclusion: to get Discovery Plus for free, your best bet is to take advantage of the free trial period or check for special offers. If you're an Amazon Prime member, Discovery Plus isn't included for free, but you can add it to your Prime Video account as a paid channel. Happy streaming!